Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your Motorola Moto G77. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to the settings. Now we're gonna scroll down to the battery. And here in the battery, we're gonna click on battery usage. Here we have the last 24 hours or last 14 days. Totally up to you what you choose. This phone is almost freshly after setup, so there's not a lot of stuff going on here, but you need to detect the apps with the highest usage. So as you guys can see, for me, let's say it's Facebook, and what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to manage app battery usage and we're gonna click don't allow. So this app will not run in the background. It will also save our battery life. We can do that for every single app that we want. But remember, once it does not work in the background, it can also delay our notifications. So it's totally up to you which apps you choose. If an app that's sending you notifications that are important, you can simply leave it on the smart use. But if you're using an app, it's working in the background, it does nothing else, and you don't really need it, you can click on don't allow or simply put the smart use, but it will also work in the background from time to time. Next, what you guys want to do is if you got any bloatware on your device, like as you guys can see, we got some games right here. Now let's go over and swipe them up to uninstall them, because this is the normal bloatware. Now let's go over, click on install and click OK. You guys can do that with every single app that you do not need. If you do not need a PDF reader, you can simply uninstall this. And now we remove the bloatware. So there are a couple of games here. What we're gonna do next is we're gonna go over into the Play Store, and here we're gonna go to search and search for the AccuBattery. So we got the AccuBattery. Let's go over and click install. Now it should install in a second, and what we're gonna do with it is we're simply gonna go and check for any diagnostics. So we're gonna make sure that our battery is good. We're gonna click open now, and here let's swipe this up. Here you guys can set your design capacity. It's totally up to you. Sorry, not up to you, but up to the device. So here you need to make sure that it is correct. So if you use the app in a future, then your battery here is designed properly. So what you guys need to enter here is simply 5,200 milliampere hours, and this is the battery design for this. Let's click finish now, and sometimes the app, of course, it's reading it wrong, so we need to go over and make sure that it changes to 5,200. Here we got everything. Now what we're interested in is some errors on the red right here, so the red background. We got no errors. Only error that we got was that this app could be killed in a background, but this does not matter. Here we got the history of our charging. Of course, we got the health, and what you guys want to do here is charge your phone 5 times. Make sure that you charge your phone from less than 15% up to 100 without using it, so that the capacity is traced properly here. After that, you will see if your battery is still getting drained, and after that, what you guys can do is simply go over and restart the phone. So press the power button, the volume up button, and here we're gonna click on restart. Now the phone is restarting. Maybe it's all just a glitch, and I'll see you guys in a second once the phone restarts. After the phone restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is simply go to the authorized service center, because there may be an error that user cannot find. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.